Hey, what's up guys? Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. In today's video, we're going to dive into another upcoming trend so you guys can make some money off it. That trend is ugly Christmas sweaters. It's a really cool trend that absolutely sells like crazy, so I'm going to get you guys in on it early and show you how you go about making some money off that. If you're new to the channel, I like to talk about print on demand and make money online, so make sure you check out the channel, have a look around. There's definitely some videos that'll help you guys out. There's the Teespring tutorial playlist, there's the print on demand playlist, and also make sure you check out the print on demand mastery Facebook group, which is a free Facebook group that I have. Links are down below. Please give this video a like for me, comment down below any questions or comments you have, and make sure you hit subscribe. Alright guys, so here we are on the computer, and all I'm doing is looking up ugly Christmas sweater in Google and then checking out some of the links that pop up for it to get my ideas on these Christmas sweaters. But one of the things that I want to show you is if we go over to Google Trends, as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Google Trends for seeing upcoming trends because that's how you make money off things. It's just gold mine. So ugly Christmas. Now watch this guys. So as usual, I'm letting you know just before these trends take off so you can make some money off it. Check it out here. We are October 6th to 12th and it is about to blow up. So this is about to be a very, very hotly searched keyword and I want you guys to get onto it now. So if you start making your ugly Christmas sweaters now, start advertising them or just uploading them to your sites like Merch by Amazon, Redbubble and Teespring or whatever else that you like to use. Some people like T-Chip and Sunfrog, a few others. Anyway, now's the time to get onto it. As you can see with this trend, and this is why I love Google Trends, you can see the search volume is about to go through the roof. So that means if you put your shirts up now, there's going to be people just going for them. Now, this is just for ugly Christmas sweaters, but if you were drop shipping or something like that, so as you can see, same trend. If you were drop shipping or selling any sort of items online to do with Christmas, or maybe you weren't even thinking of getting into the Christmas niche, now is the time to start getting those products up on your sites and advertising them or just putting them in front of your audiences because yeah, it takes off from now guys. So people are spending a lot of money in the coming couple of months and you can get on that and capitalize. So if you're on Teespring, what you'll do is come and just go to hoodies and sweatshirts and you're just going to put it on a sweatshirt. Don't put it on a hoodie, just put it on a sweatshirt for this. And as you can see, all over print sweatshirt. So that's the difference. Hoodies you can't do all over print, whereas you can do all over print sweatshirts. Now, as for design inspiration, as I said, I just go through Google, check out some of the links that pop up here. And so there's actually an uglychristmassweater.com website. So obviously there'd be some good ideas on here. Etsy, as you guys know, is one of my favorites for checking out these designs. So you can go through and check out all these different ugly Christmas sweater designs. Amazon is obviously a good one, so you can check out Amazon. And then you've got some of these ones that pop up from last year, so 35 of the best ones. Let's check out their gallery and just go through here. So that one's tacos, unicorn, and we're just going to go through and get our own design ideas. Then of course, if you're going to be selling on Teespring, you might as well go through Teespring and look up some of the ugly Christmas sweaters that are on the website. So you get your design inspiration off there as well. Also, just so you know, if someone's done the design and you don't want to copy it or anything like that, just get your inspiration, make your own version of it. Another good thing about checking out Teespring itself is you can see what people are pricing their sweatshirts for. So that's definitely going to help you out if you're worried about what price you should have yours at. And for all of these, it looks like they're around the $50 mark. You got 49, 52, 59, 54, 60. So around that 50 to 60. Then there is some up here that are 73. I don't know about $73. That seems very, very expensive. I'm not sure that that would sell for that price. So as usual guys, I recommend Placeit, so placeit.net. I do have a 15% discount code linked below this video if you are interested in using Placeit. Placeit is the best though because you're going to get your design straight off here. Let me just show you. So if we just go t-shirt design templates And you can go down the left here and you'll see that there is a Christmas section, all sorts of different sections. So we can click on this and then just go through all the designs this way, and you'll find some cool designs to do with Christmas. But I was just looking, and if you just put in ugly Christmas, this will bring up 43 results. And then we can start to see these sort of ugly Christmas sweater designs. And then you can completely change all of these up to be any sort of design you want, but it gives you that sort of theme, because it would be hard to make one of these from scratch for most people anyway. But as you can see, it gives you that ugly Christmas sweater sort of template to work with, and then you can start changing it up and making your own version. And just the next page here, so you can just see all these different designs that you could have some fun playing around with. On top of that, with Placeit, obviously you can use the mock-up generator as well. So you could have your Christmas design and then go mock-ups and just go. So I've just put in ugly Christmas sweater, and then it knows exactly what I'm looking for. So then you could make your ugly Christmas sweater designs, and you could upload your image straight onto one of these Christmas sort of designs here, and just like that. And then you can advertise that on your social media. So this is why I always go on about Placeit, because Placeit is the best one-stop shop for anyone who has a print-on-demand business. It just has everything. You've got all the templates, you got all the designs, and then you can also use the mock-up generator for all of your social media and online posting, trying to get them sales. So once we're done with our design, we'll just go up and then just download the design, and then go back to the Teespring launcher and put it on one of our sweatshirts here, probably the one with the all over designing, all over print sweatshirt, because I think that'll look cooler. And yeah, go from there, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that helps you out. And I hope, most importantly, that it helps you make some sales. So, ugly Christmas sweater tutorial. Bit of an interesting sort of topic, but it is something that sells. As you can see with the Google Trends, it's absolutely going to take off shortly. So get onto that. Also, Christmas products, like you could drop ship anything. I have many videos about drop shipping on this channel, so make sure you go and check those out. I actually have a full, complete free course on this channel that a lot of people don't realize. It has about 84 videos. So if you're into drop shipping and you're checking out this channel and didn't know that, make sure you go check that out for sure. Thanks very much for watching, and thank you for your continued support. On that note, make sure you check out the Print On Demand Facebook page. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.